Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing in-game or random crashes on PC. Follow these steps carefully and your game should run smoothly. Let's get started. First, make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. There are links in the description for NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Download the software for your graphics card. For example, if you have NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Open the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Now click Check for Updates. Make sure your system is fully updated. Install any pending updates. Step 3. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Crimson Desert. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game. Once all steps are complete, launch Crimson Desert. Your game should now run without crashing. Hopefully, this fixes your crashing issue.